Hello YouTubers. In this video I will show you how to fix IBH S7 interface is missing in SIEMENS PG PC interfaces. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I have faced with a problem, that IBH S7 interface is missing in PG PC interface. I did try all possible solutions, even reinstalled Windows couple of times, but nothing helped. I did try to contact Siemens support and IBH support. They tried to help me, but unfortunately unsuccessfully. As you can see, I have installed IBH driver and now I need to restart the PC. After the restart you will see the problem. PC is restarted and now I will start PC PG interface. IBH interface is missing here. Sometimes it happens so, that it did show up right after the installation for like 20 seconds and then gone. You may start with IBH troubleshooting to see if it helps. It did not for me. I will leave link to the resource in the description. I have been struggling for a while with this problem until I have found the solution. You need to find 4 files on your PC. I will leave file names in the description. Go to drive with your Windows installation. In most cases it is drive C. Then program files. Common files. Siemens. Automation. Semantic OAM. Meta. Boards. Find this file. Create a folder somewhere on your PC, copy this file and paste it into it. Return to folder meta. Open folder default log devices. Copy these 3 files and paste them into the same folder. Open your C drive again. Program data. Siemens. Automation. Semantic OAM. Meta. You need to paste first file into folder boards. Return to folder meta. Open folder default log devices. Paste those 3 files there. Restart your PC. After the restart, IBH should be visible in the PG PC interface. That is what I wanted to show you today. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and happy coding.